Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today we're going to make a keychain pumpkin. So this amigurumi keychain pumpkin is a beginner friendly and very easy and quick pattern, so anyone who can crochet can make this a very cute keychain. So these are the things that we will be using: our darning needle, the key-ring, the poly fiber fill, the two-color yarn, and of course our scissor and our crochet hook. So we will start by making a slip knot, and then we will chain 14. So if you want a bigger or a chunkier keychain pumpkin, you can add the chain. And also you can use a thicker yarn in a bigger crochet hook. So now for our first row, we will make a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in the third chain from the hook, pull the yarn over, and then pull through. So again, yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain, pull the yarn over, and then pull through. So we will keep repeating that pattern till we reach in the beginning of our chain. So the foundation of my amigurumi, the width is 2 inches. So if you want a bigger one, you can make it a bit wider. So in the row 2, so we will chain 2 for the row 2. So that's 1 and 2, and then we will flip our work. Then we will add half double crochet back loop only in the next stitch from our hook. So insert our hook in that stitch and then pull the yarn over, and then pull through. Again, insert your yarn over, insert your hook in the back loop only, pull the yarn over, and then pull through. So we will keep doing this half double crochet back loop only until we reach the desired length of our project. So again, yarn over, insert your hook in the back loop stitch only, pull the yarn over, and then pull through. So from row 2 until we reach at the desired length of our project, we will keep doing that half double crochet back loop only. This is the last row of my half double crochet. So as you see, the half double crochet back loop only, it creates ridges of for our project. So it creates design already. So I am almost done for the main part of our project. So this is the last row. So this is how it looks like now. So again, the width is 2 inches. There you go. And then the length is 4.5 inch. So again, if you want a bigger or a little bit chunkier pumpkin, you can add a stitch and use a thicker yarn and a bit bigger crochet hook. So then we will bring the two ends together, and we will sew that, and also the bottom part. So as simple as that. So this is what it looks like after you sew the both ends. And then the bottom part also, we will sew that like this. Yeah, sew them around. And then at the end, later, we will pull the thread or the yarn to close that bottom part. There you go. So then after you close that bottom part, we will make our work upside down. So this is the outside part now. And then we will fill that, we'll use our fiber fill, poly fiber fill. Then after we put all that fiber fill, we will continue sewing on the top part of our pumpkin. So again, how we make on the bottom part, that's also how we will make on the top part. We will just sew it around and then pull the yarn to close that space. Pull it tightly and tie it. So the remaining tail of our thread or our yarn, we will use it to create the ridge of our pumpkin. So we will sew that around the body to create that shape. So I'll show you how I made that. There you go. That's how I made it. If you see that like space in between of the humps, that's where I put the yarn to create that again the shape. So you keep doing that until you will satisfy for the shape of your pumpkin. So then after this, we will create the crown part of our pumpkin. So there you go. The main body of pumpkin is done. It's very cute. Look. So for the crown, we will use the green yarn. And then we will make a magic ring. And then we will add 12 single crochet inside the ring. So that's the foundation or the lock of our magic ring. So yeah, 12 single crochet inside that ring. Sorry for the background, the birds are very noisy. So yeah, complete the 12 single crochet inside the ring for the crown of our pumpkin. So after that 12 single crochet, we'll just slip stitch and then pull the tail of the yarn to close that space in the middle. So now for round 2, we will just make slip stitch around. So yeah, one slip stitch in each of the stitch till we reach in the beginning of our round 2. So if you are making a bigger pumpkin, you can use single crochet to make it a bit wider. So there you go, I'm done for the crown. I will just cut the yarn. I'll keep a bit longer tail. To use it to connect the crown on the body of our pumpkin. So just like that, I sew that on the top side of our pumpkin. Keep sewing that so that it will not keep moving, and then we will add our keychain. Just like that. So this is now done. The keychain is not moving around. It's secured, so we'll just cut that yarn. Lock that and cut the yarn. Okay, so there you go, we're done for our pumpkin. See, it's very easy and the outcome of our project is very cute. You will be very happy for this. So try and make one for yourself too. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.